Assalamualaikum 6th class. Today's we are doing exercise number 6.2, question number 9. The statement of the question is, if 40 workers do a work in 35 days, in how many days will the same work be done by increasing the 10 more workers? So students, first we have 40 workers for 35 days, and then we have 40 plus 10, 50 workers. Then how many days the work will be done? So we have to find the number of days. Let x be the required days. जो हमें डेज चाहिए उनको हमने x लेट कर लिया है. Then the ratio is between days and workers. First we have 35 days for 40 workers, and then we have 50 days. Students, if we increase the workers, then number of days will be decreased. So this is inverse proportion. Now x over 35 is equal to 40 over 50. The denominator becomes the arrowhead sign. Arrowhead is on 50, so 50 becomes denominator. Arrowhead is on 35, so 35 becomes denominator. Then x is equal to 40 over 50 multiply 35. 0 cancel by 0. 5 7s are 35, 7 4s are 28. So required days is equal to 28 days. This is our answer. Now the question number 10 is, Rahim paid his servant for rupees 750 for 1 week 3 days. 1 week 3 days become 7 plus 3, 10 days. So Rahim paid his servant 750 rupees for 10 days. What amount will he pay him for the month of 30 days? So we have to find the amount. So let x be the required amount. So we have the ratio between amount, that is in rupees, ratio between days. So first we have 10 days and the amount is 750 rupees. Then how amount will he pay for 30 days? So students, if the days increase, amount will also increase. So this is direct proportion. X over 750 is equal to 30 over 10. 750 becomes multiply on other side. 0 cancel by 0. 750 multiply 3 becomes 22 and 50. So required amount becomes rupees 2250 rupees. This is our required amount. Now the question number 11 is, a machine start work for 45 minutes, the temperature on 60 degrees centigrade. How much time is required to work at the temperature of 75 degrees centigrade? So student, we have to find the number of minutes. So let x be the required minutes. So this is the ratio between minutes and temperature. The unit of temperature is degree centigrade. So first we have 45 minutes work in 60 degree centigrade, and then temperature increase to 75 degree. Students, if temperature increase, then the quantity of the work done, it becomes decrease. So this is also inverse proportion. If the temperature increase, then the ability to do a work of a machine becomes decrease. So x over 45 is equal to 60 over 75. X is equal to 60 over 75 multiply 45. 5 9s are 45. 5 15s are 75. And then 5 3s are 15. 5 2s are 10. 3 3s are 9. And 3 12s are becomes 36. So our required minutes is 36 minutes. Now students, question number 12 is 72% have enough food for 7 days. After 1 day they decided to finish the food in 3 remaining days. For it they invite more men. How many persons did they invite? So students, first we have 72%. 1 day left after 1 day. So we reject the 1 day. We have only 6 days for 72% and 3 days for the remaining persons. So let X be the remaining person. This is not our required person. This is remaining persons for 3 days. So students, days, persons ratio days. So first we have 6 days. In the question we have 7 days, but 1 day left. So we can write only 6 days, 72 persons. Then we have 3 days. Then this is the remaining person. You can write the remaining person, you can write the total persons for 3 days. So this is inverse proportion. If the days decrease, then the person will increase. X over 72 is equal to 6 over 3, and X is equal to 6 over 3 multiply 72. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, and 24 multiply 6 becomes 144. So this is the total person. They will invite more persons. And students, how many more persons invited? That there are total 144 persons and 72 persons are already present. Then after subtraction they will invite 72 more persons for the food for 3 days. So this our diary completed. You can note your diary. That is exercise number 6.2, question number 9 to 12. Thank you.